Hi guys, now we'll be talking about some more of the modification tool. Draw one wall. So if we need two, three walls here with of the same length, apart 2 meters. So instead of drawing this apart 2 meters every time, so we can use this command. Select this, click on offset. OF is the shortcut. Then you can enter the offset value here. I need it 2 meters apart. 2 meters. So if we need it on the right side, so you need to make sure that your mouse pointer is on the right side of the wall. So you can see the dotted line. So there will be the wall will be drawn. So I click it. So you can see. If you need to make it on the left side, so make sure that mouse pointer is on the left side. So this is how you can use the offset command. Yeah. So this is how offset works. I delete this. And there's a, if you need to rotate, then click on this. You have the rotate command, R is the shortcut. So to keep this as a reference, click once to select the reference line, and then the angle. I need it that as 90. This is how you can rotate. I need to rotate again. I click on rotate, and then again I'll click a random reference line this time, and then a random angle. So this is how rotate works. Yeah. And then there's align tool. So for align tool, I'll show an example. I'll copy first. So copy as you guys copy, then paste. I'll paste it here. I'll up it down. So if I need to align these two walls, then I need to select one wall as the reference. I want this wall as the reference. And then click on the align tool. AL is the shortcut. And then click on this wall. You can see a dotted line shows up here. And then I need to align this wall to this wall. So I click on this wall. Then you can see these two are aligned. So this is how align tool works. This is very, very handy tool. You need this a lot. And then for the align tool, I'll show another example. First, we'll create a room here. First, I'll select a door. I'll use a door. And this door is created. So now I need to mirror this whole room. So I need to do one thing. I need to go to mirror pick axis command. MM is the shortcut. And then I need to pick the axis here. You can see that there's one warning here showing that the walls are overlapped because we are using wall center method. So wall may be overlapped here. But you can see the use of the mirror tool command. So that is how the tool works. If I need to mirror this wall again, I use this again. So this is how the mirror tool works. So I'll show a use of align tool again. I create one more window here. So I need the window beside this wall. So I need to click on the align tool. I click on the reference line. Reference line is this line, and I need to click this. So you can see that the window is aligned to this wall. So that is how align tool works. And then there's another tool called trim. I should need to draw a set of walls. So now you can see that there's one extra part here, so I need to trim that. So I can do one that thing is that I can just bring the length here, reduce the length and this. But we have a special tool for that. That's called the trim tool. So you need to select the click on trim and then select this line and this line. So you can trim that. So you need to select which two lines do you need. So accordingly it gets trimmed. But if in case I do this, I select this line and this line. So this line gets trimmed. So you need to make sure that you select the inner two lines so that it gets trimmed properly. So this is the trim tool. So that's about it for this lecture.